Namaste and welcome to yoga. Take a seat on your yoga mat for some seated yoga stretches. You can follow along. Spin your inner thighs down and away. Lengthen your spine. Bring your arms out to the sides. Breathe in through your nose. Lift your arms up. Breathe out through your nose. Bend your elbows. Take cactus arm position. Now as you inhale, arch your spine, look up. Exhale through your nose. Round your spine, bring your hands and elbows together. 3 more of these. Breathe in, arch your spine, open your arms out to the sides. Breathe out, bring your palms and elbows together, chin to your chest. Inhale to open up, open your heart. Exhale to round and contract. The last one. Inhale, open up. Feel the movement in your spine and exhale, round and contract, hollow out your belly. Now inhale, open. And exhale, release your arms down. Keep your right fingertips on the ground. As you breathe in through your nose, lift your left arm up, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, side body stretch towards your right side. Lean on your right hand. Ground down through your left sitting bone. Open up your left rib cage. Take a nice, deep, refreshing breath. And then slowly release. Place your left fingertips on the ground. Breathe in. Lift your right arm up. Lengthen through your spine and breathe out. Dive towards your left side, leaning on your left hand. Feel your whole right side body opening up. You can look up or down, whichever one you prefer. And take one final deep breath here. Nice and slowly as you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, place your right hand down on the ground. For butterfly pose, a nice hip opener. Place your foot soles together and let your knees fall open. If it's too intense, you can always place your fists by the outsides of your upper thigh to create a little bit of support. You can also hold on to your feet. Stay here, breathe. Just allow your hips to open up. This is really nice if you're sitting a lot. It also helps to open your lower back. If you want to take it a step further, you can come a little bit forward, leaning on your fingertips. Take your final breath. And then with your hands, push your knees together, back to your seated cross-legged position. Sit up tall. Bring your arms out to the sides. Breathe in. Lift your arms up. Exhale. Lower your arms down and take a seated twist. Twist towards your right side. Left hand is on your right knee. Right hand right behind you on the ground. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Take your final deep breath. And then inhale, lift your arms up, come back to center. Exhale, twist to the other side to rotate your chest. So from above your waist to your left. Right hand on your left knee, left hand right behind you. Gently look over your shoulder. Keep your breath flowing. Take one more deep breath. Wonderful. And then inhale, lift your arms up. Come back to center. Exhale, lower your arms down. Place your hands on your knees. Take a moment to close your eyes or look down at the ground and check in with yourself. Notice how you feel. Notice your spine, your hips. Notice the quality of your breath. And then let's seal our practice together. Bring your arms out to the sides, palms are facing up. As you breathe in, sweep your arms all the way up. Gather all the love, light, and blessings. Exhale, unite your palms. Bring your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. Give yourself a big thank you that you took this 5 minutes to stretch your body and breathe mindfully. It's my wish that this practice is a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat. Bye!